Okay, we're going to do one last thing with graphing. So we have a couple different ways that we can graph, and this is the last one that we're going to talk about. Okay, so this is finding ordered paired solutions. So we are going to look at this first one here. It says find 3 ordered pairs for y equals x plus 4. So our first step here is to set up a table, an xy table, and we're going to just fill it in -1, 0, 1. So we're looking here, -1, 0, 1. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to looking at step 2, we're going to substitute each value of x in the equation. So if you look here, we have taken the equation y plus 4, I'm sorry, let me erase that. We have taken the equation y equals x plus 4. So when I plug in -1 for x, I get y equals -1 plus 4. Same with this one over here. Y equals x plus 4. When I plug in 0 for x, y equals 0 plus 4. And then the last one, 1, y equals x plus 4. And I plug in 1 for x, y equals 1 plus 4. Okay, so now all I did here was solve each one. So when when y equaled -1, when x equaled -1, y equals 3. When x equals 0, y equals 4. When x equals 1, y equals 5. And I got those answers from up here. So if I kept going back up here, y equals 3. -1 plus 4 is 3. Y equals 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. And y equals 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. So now, all I'm doing is filling in my chart. So I have when x is -1, y is 3. When x is 0, y is 4. When x is 1, y is 5. And those create our coordinates, -1, 3, 0, 4. Oops. Keep it. 1, 5. Okay. So let's try another one. So again, I'm going to say, my equation says y equals x plus 2. So when y is -1, I'm going to write to the side y equals -1 plus 2, y equals 1. I'm going to put a 1 there. The next one, x equals 0. Y equals 0 plus 2, y equals 2. Put a 0 here. And then the last one, 1, y equals 1 plus 2, y equals 3. So I'm going to put a 3 there. So now my coordinates for my graph are -1, 1, 0, 2, and 1, 3. And then I could graph that just by plotting those points. Okay, let's try another one, because this one might be a little bit trickier. So we're going to look at -1. Oh, let's keep it the same here. So -1. So we have y equals 5 minus x. Y equals 5 minus x. Y equals 5 minus -1. Y equals 6. And I'm going to rewrite it every time. So for the next one, 0. Y equals 5 minus x. Y equals 5 minus 0. Y equals 5. And then 1. Y equals 5 minus 1. Y equals 4. So again, I can write my coordinates: -1, 6, 0, 5, and 1, 4. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys do these two on your own. I'm going to skip ahead and let's graph these. So again, here we're going to have to make the table. Well, no, they're the same, aren't they? So we're going to graph them. So let's graph this first one. My first coordinate is -1, 1. So -1. Remember, when I graph a coordinate, I go over first and then up or down. So -1, 1. The next coordinate is 0, 2. So 0, 1, 2. And then the last one is 1, 3. 1, 3. So again, this is a linear equation because it creates a line, and that's how we would graph it. So let's look at this one that we did from up here. So we're just doing this. So we have -1, 6. So -1 up, -1 up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 5. 0, 5. And 1, 4. 1 over 1 up 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, there's my line. Okay, and then you guys can go ahead and graph the last two after you fill in the table. Okay, that was a short one, so if you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.